Essential Excel Skills for 2023, a must-know guide. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a versatile and widely used spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft, forming an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite. This software empowers users to create, organize, and analyze data within a grid-like interface, making it an invaluable tool for a myriad of tasks. Excel skills you must know. Excel proficiency spans a spectrum from basic to advanced, accommodating a diverse range of applications, from simple data entry to intricate formula calculations. Master the shortcuts. Mastering keyboard shortcuts in Excel is a great way to boost your productivity. Import data from a website. To import data from a website into Excel, you can utilize the From Web feature, which is available in most versions of Excel. Filter your results. Filtering data in Excel is an essential skill that allows you to refine and extract specific information from a dataset with ease. Calculate the sum. Calculating the sum of values in Excel is a fundamental operation that can be accomplished in a couple of ways. First, you can use the sum function, which is particularly useful when you're working with a large set of numbers. Alternatively, you can use the AutoSum button, which simplifies the process by automatically suggesting a range based on adjacent cells with numerical data. Autocorrect and autofill. Autocorrect and autofill are two convenient features within Microsoft Excel that enhance efficiency and accuracy when working with data. Display formulas. In Microsoft Excel, the ability to display formulas provides a valuable tool for spreadsheet users, especially when dealing with intricate calculations or when auditing a spreadsheet for errors. Manage page layout. Managing page layout in Microsoft Excel is a critical aspect of creating well-organized and professional-looking documents. The bottom line. If you're looking to simplify your daily tasks and perhaps leave a lasting impression among your colleagues, delving into these fundamental Excel skills is a wise move. It's worth noting that Excel, despite its widespread use, remains a versatile and evolving tool.